Hello, welcome back to this channel. Do you need to go to washroom? Do you need to go to washroom? It's time to have breakfast. It's time to have breakfast. What did you eat? What did you eat? Where are you hurt? Where are you hurt? Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. It's a bad habit. It's a bad habit. Always respect your elders. Always respect your elders. It's not nice to interrupt. It's not nice to interrupt. Are you okay? Are you okay? No dessert until you finish your dinner. No dessert until you finish your dinner. No dessert until you finish your dinner. Do you want chocolate? Do you want chocolate? Do you want chocolate? Help me set the table, please. Help me set the table, please. Help me set the table, please. Don't touch the stove, it's hot. Don't touch the stove, it's hot. Don't touch the stove, it's hot. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? What did you learn today? How was your school? How was your school? How was your school? Please put your clothes away. Please put your clothes away. Please put your clothes away. It's time to have dinner. It's time to have dinner. Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? Did you wash properly? Did you wash properly? Take a few more bites. Take a few more bites. Take a few more bites. ठीक है, तो चलिए अब मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में. तब तक प्रैक्टिस करते रहना. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.